Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial on Alliance, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install pegs. Now the first thing you're going to need is a 13mm wrench, a 6mm Allen key, and possibly some washers. When you first get your pegs, it should come with the axle, the peg, and a nut. Now the first thing you want to do is get a washer and put it onto your bolt, and then slide it through the hole. You want to slide the bolt through your wheels. And you want to make sure that the pegs are on the correct side that you're going to be stalling and grinding. After that's through, you want to get your nut and put it on. And once it's tight, you want to get a wrench and tighten it. For your back peg, you might want to put a couple more washers on depending on the size of your bolt, because if it's too long, when you put it through, there's going to be some of the bolt showing, so you won't be able to tighten the nut all the way, so you need to put some washers on either end. So it's the same routine as before. You want to get your spacers onto your bolt. You want to slide the bolt through the first hole, then your spacer, then your wheel, and the other spacer. And once you have it through, you want to get your nut and tighten it. So that's how you install pegs. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you. And subscribe for more content to come. See you guys.